Hi my friends, how are you? Today I'm going to turn a banana bowl. Hi my friends, my name is Vilarino, and actually this is the piece of wood that I will turn. This is a piece of Bradford Pear, and it belonged to my good friend Alvaro and his wife Clara, and when they cut down the tree they asked me for help and they gave me as much wood as I could bring home. Now they are moving to Florida and I'm going to miss them a lot, but I would like to give them something that will remind them of that Bradford tree. So I'm going to do a banana bowl out of this piece of Bradford Pear. This is today's project. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to work. Alvaro and I cut down this pear tree several years ago. I had this log in storage for a long time. The bark was loose in several places, so I decided to remove it completely. Normally, for a natural edge wall, you turn it around just once, but I want to put in the base the coin with my logo. So I will make a temporary hold in what it will be the mouth, so then I can turn it around and work on the base without the need of the tailstock. Turning speed helps a lot when doing projects where one is turning a lot of air, like in this particular case. But to turn at high speed, the piece has to be balanced. So I will be moving every so slightly the position until it reaches an equilibrium. It looks like there it is pretty good. I get out of the rotating plane to start the lathe and check how fast I can rotate the piece without getting vibration. I will reach 1000 RPMs without vibration. That speed is more than acceptable. I make push cuts to begin to clean and flatten an area in the middle of the base, where later I will make a mortise. With a parting tool, I begin to form the mortise. I measure the diameter of the base mortise. I make an 1.5 inch small mortise for my logo coin. I prepare the mortise in the base. With a point tool, I slant a little the wall of the mortise so it will match well the dovetail shape of the chuck jaws. Looks good. Before turning the piece around, I will give some shape to the bottom side of the bowl. The grain runs perpendicular to the rotation axis. The best way to attack it is with push cuts. The idea is to remove material fast, and I will begin to shape the base doing some steps. I just sharpened the gouge and now I will perform smoother and slower cuts to obtain a better finish out of the tool. You can see that the shavings are thinner than before. The final thickness is about half of what I have now, but still it is a good idea to check if the internal cut is parallel to the external surface. This is the moment of doing any corrections. I am working by sectors, from the outside to the bottom, and when I go to the sector farther inside, I do not touch the previous one anymore. With a circular carbide cutter, I even up the bottom. It is time to take care of that crack. I will use epoxy mixed with coffee grounds. I'm going to fill the crack from this side, let the epoxy cure, and then fill from the other side. I sand away the excess of epoxy. At the end, the check, even with the coffee, does not show too much. I glue in the recess my logo coin. For finish, I will apply several layers of boiled linseed oil, letting it cure between coat and coat about 24 hours. I mount on the lathe the polishing wheels. I load the right wheel with carnauba wax and holding firmly the piece, I begin the polishing process. Okay, my dear friends, here is the finished banana bowl. You can see the finish. It was 5 layers of boiled linseed oil and 24 hours curing between layers. And then after that I used the polishing wheels with carnauba wax. So Alvaro, Clara, I hope you enjoy it. Also, I hope it brings you good memories from your old house. To all of you, I hope you enjoyed this video. If that's the case, don't forget to mark the like button below, make comments, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, here appears the subscription button to facilitate your subscription. Please do so. And it will be until the next one. Cheers!